Okay, alright. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. So, today, let's talk about to and for. So, to, where someone is going or what someone is going to do. And for is why someone is doing it, or really what for. Why and where someone is going. So, to. So I am going to the gym for exercise, for fun, for exercise. I am going to the gym. I'm going to the gym to get exercise, to get out of breath, to get sweaty. Whew. To get active, to get active, to get active. Yeah. She is going to the shop for food. He is going to the bank for remember as why he's going to the bank for a loan, to borrow money. They're going to Scotland let's say going to Scotland to do something. Scotland to visit family. To visit family. I am going to Scotland for the journey, for the drive, for the adventure. I'm going to Scotland to see things. So look, to is where and to do something. For is why going somewhere and what for. So I'm going to Scotland to then visit family. I'm going to Scotland for the scenery, the nature. But then we can also invert it. It is not going to work for you. This machine, it's not going to work for you. It is not going to open for you. For you, what for? Doing. Why is it doing? It's not going to open for you. It is not going to open. You can't use to. Not going to open to. It is not going to work to you. It's not going to work to them, to it. It is for it, for them, for you. It is not going to do something, to work for you. So why? Why is it not going to work? Well, it's not going to work because of you. It's not going to open for you. I am not going to the gym. But then if you use not, we don't really say to again. It's I am not going to the gym for exercise. I am going to the gym for work. I am not going to the bank for a loan. I am going to the bank for advice, for help. I am going to the shop for bread. I am not going for water. So then, it's assumed. I am not going. You could say I am not going to the shop for milk. I am going for bread. We know where we're going already. I'm not going to the supermarket for bread, but I am going to go for water. But instead of saying I am going to go again, we just say I'm not going to go for bread, I am going for water. Just a way of condensing the sentences. Because there's no point in saying the same thing twice. I am going I am not going to the bank for a loan. I am going for advice. Going for advice, to get something. Why? For advice. She is going to the gym for exercise. Then, we're going to add then, so afterwards, going to the gym for exercise, then she is going to the supermarket for food. Makes sense? Yeah. So to is where someone is going and what they're doing there. And for is why they are going, why they are doing it, and what for. What is the aim? What's the objective? What's the point? The point. The point. Why? Yeah. So I am going to upload this video to YouTube, or I'm going to upload this video. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. Not for YouTube, but to a place. To YouTube. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube for, what for? The point. Why? For you. So I am going to upload, action, this video to YouTube for you. How cool is that? So, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary and mastering English and discover the world, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos. Until then, bye for now.